guys, welcome back to Arlie's Land. So today I'm going to be doing a lot of things. As you can see, I've got a new intro, improvise the video, put it in the search bar, Arlie's Land, the pink colored intro. And also my saying is different in front of the video, which is also an intro. So today is everything. Don't get confused by the title, and I don't know what the thumbnail is going to be. And if it's a very confusing thumbnail with hate comments, like on my what video was that? I can't remember the name. We need to talk. Yeah, that video, in the thumbnail, if you have noticed, there is written I hate you with a anger emoji. I won't tell you who wrote that to me, because I literally told them to send me I hate you with all caps and an angry emoji. I won't tell you who, but you know who you are, and I talk with you every day. So today is basically, I'm going to be doing a lot of things. I'm going to be telling you something. I'm going to be showing you my sketches. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. Fun! Okay, so without any more of my shenanigans, let's move on to the video. Okay, so what I'm going to be telling you today is very, very sad for me, as well as maybe you, if you only watch me on YouTube, which you don't, of course. I know I'm not that cool. Okay, so I am going to be taking a break from YouTube. I don't know what my future self is thinking right now, but my past self thought that this isn't going to be appropriate, because I am also doing practice exams on my tuition, and I am as well giving my exams right now. My exams are going on in school this whole month till 29th. My exams will go on. It's a real stress for me. I'm only confident in this subject. That's why I made it red, the background. I'm only confident in this subject. So other subjects I'm not confident in, but I really love. I want to pass them. I want to get good marks, because who doesn't? So I was just gonna take a break and film videos when I can, because if you have to film videos, you have to edit them so they look nice. Do you like the lighting? I did something. You like it now? Now? Or now? I think I like it this way better. So it's like a dark side and a light side. But I only have this side. Anyways, so I don't know if you're gonna miss me on YouTube or not, but I'm really going to miss filming videos during this month, because I'm not completely going away from YouTube. I am going to be still posting when I'm comfortable. I'm not sure that I'm going to be posting every single Sunday or Friday. This video is going to go up on Sunday, so you're seeing this on a Sunday, I hope. So please do not hate me. I'm going to be taking a break for just a little while, and if I want, I'm going to be posting. So always turn on your notification bell. So first, let's move on to the unboxing. So this arrived today. I know you can't see it because of the plastic, but I'm going to be putting a picture of it on the screen, maybe over here. But this is my straw which arrived today. Maybe you can see the pictures. So I'm going to be unboxing it. Open it up. Ooh, it's green. I know you could tell it's green from it's clear. The packaging is literally clear. I hate myself. Anyways, so this is the unicorn. It's a unicorn straw, and this is a white, classic white unicorn. I wanted these. It's meant to be rainbow, not rainbow necessarily. The unicorn colors pink, blue, and purple. So I like it. I actually really love it. I'm going to drink water with it. Wait, can you see it now? Yeah, I think you can see it now. So this is the unicorn and this is the straw. It's really tough. I thought it would be flimsy, but it's actually really tough and I love it. I absolutely adore it. So one more thing which I'm going to be doing in today's video is going to be showing you some of my drawings. I've never shown you any of my drawings before. And it's only 5 minutes. Who watches a 5-minute video? Not me. I'm not making any 5-minute videos. This is way more flattering. I think so. I love it. I'm gonna drink from it. I'm gonna drink some tea and spill it, literally. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. So let me bring my drawing book. Let me try and do a transition. All out of storage space, so I had to clean it up. I'm so sorry I left it on a jump cut. So let me try and do a transition. Really cool one. So 1, 2, and 3. Whoa! So these arrived in the palm of my hand. I think the video is going to cut again, so I'm going to show you my really favorite drawing which I've drawn. Let me make it fast so I can edit it and also post it. This is one of my favorite drawings. It is Baby Owl Kawaii. It's going to be on the screen. Okay, so you can see a more clear picture. This is my favorite drawing, and one more drawing is really I love is this one, my mandala art, on the screen right here somewhere. Perfect. Now these are the 2 favorite drawings from my sketches. Most favorite. I love all my drawings. And my 2 favorite drawings from what I've drawn recently is this one, pastel color, here somewhere on the screen. I usually don't do in landscape drawings, so here is a flower pot. I really went through this fast, so thank you for watching this video, and you know that I'm going to be taking a break. Maybe I'm going to be posting, I don't know. Turn on your notification bell as well as subscribe, please. It will be a great help for me. Thank you for watching, and I guess I'll see you next month. Love y'all. Peace.